Hello, my name is Joshua and this is part 2 of my capstone project. Now that we have finished washing the car, we are now able to see all the minor scratches more clearly. Keep in mind that this is only the best case scenario when it comes to buffing a car. Some will have it worse, meaning that it will take longer for you to finish the job. And this clip just shows the minor scratches that the car has. The first step is placing one layer of tape on the edge of the plastic where it meets the metal. The second step is setting up a station to place the machine, the pads, the compound, and the finer. After a while, the pads get filled up with the compound and you will have to remove the excess. You can do that by using an air pressure gun, or you could do it after and use different pads. After that, put the compound on the padding as seen here. Now this is where the job begins. The machine should have a mechanism for different speeds. Using a lower speed will ensure that the compound doesn't splatter everywhere, and this way the compound can exit the padding completely instead of staying on it. The amount seen will now be enough for large portions of the car. You can turn on the machine by pressing the handle on the side, and there should be a button on the other side of the machine. Only press it when you press on the handle. After that, you can let go on both the button and the handle. This way you could draw your attention to the actual car instead of the machine. Make sure that you keep the padding completely flat on the car and move the machine with control but without fear. Move the machine back and forth and then right and left 3 times in the same area to make sure that the car is coated completely with the compound. After that, wipe the car with a microfiber cloth until the compound is gone. If the scratches aren't gone, repeat this process until the scratches do disappear. Keep in mind that scratches that are deep in the car will not be removed, only minor ones. That's it for this part. Yes, it's simple, but a lot can go wrong. This job is hard because it tests your patience. This part of the process is one of many that can turn a 1-hour job into several hours. The next part of the process is adding the polish. The polish is not as long as the compound process because once you have coated it once, there is no need to go back and forth or left and right. After this, you spray the car with paint prep. This removes all residue, so that way the car can absorb the wax. We will be applying Legend ceramic coating 5 years of protection as a wax to our car.